The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Monday morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Very good morning to you guys. Today is Monday, February 13. Couple of announcements. If you guys are in order flow class today, the link has been sent. Everyone should have the link. If for some reason you did not get that link, don't forget, please email me before class. Good morning, John, Dennis, Tim. Guys, good morning. As well, tomorrow, February 14, I will be leaving early. Ordinarily, I'm here till 11. I will be here in the morning for you guys, but I will be closing the morning session early tomorrow. Unfortunately, my wife has a doctor's appointment. It's her first checkup since her back surgery, so I will not be here after about 10:30 max. So we'll miss about a half an hour in the room tomorrow. Okay. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back, or welcome. We have a few that are continuing from last week, so welcome back. And then, of course, I have a few trials that are beginning today, so welcome. As it's Monday, for the benefit of trials, I will go over the room momentarily, but the first thing I'll do every single day is when we come in, I will show the bots and the trades that the bots have taken. I'll do that momentarily. There have been a few. Additionally, I will then read the disclaimer. Good morning, Anthony. Jacques, good morning, which I do every day. We'll go through charts. And then I'll give you guys momentarily an overview of what you can expect to see this week. So first and foremost, morning, Deepak. Let me, I sent you a message in Skype. I don't know if you saw it. Bear with me one second, guys. I'm just shutting Skype down. There we go. Good morning. I'm probably gonna, Nolan, good morning. I may mispronounce this, so forgive me in advance. Is it Mindegaus? Good morning and welcome to the room. So first and foremost, for you folks that are on trial, I'm going to show you the robots momentarily. The robots begin trading at 6 a.m. Eastern. So each day when you come in this week, there will generally, they will have traded and there will be gross. Okay? I trade them until 11 a.m., which is not to say that the bots can't be traded after 11 a.m. The reason I end trading on the robots at 11 a.m. is so that when you folks leave, you have a number, right? So in an effort to be transparent, I do a couple of things. One, I will show the bot trades as they occur. And two, at the end of each session at 11 a.m., I will give you bot totals. When we come in at 8 o'clock in the morning or shortly thereafter, I will show the bots. Any trades that have transpired, I will show, of course. And then I will send out a daily email. Good morning, Hubba. I will send out a daily email to each of you, which will give a recap, an overall recap of the room. But it will show the bots individually. So for instance, the ES made or lost, crude made or lost, etc. I will show then the weekly total after that. And then the last number will be, of course, last week's total. Okay, so you'll have an individual total per instrument. Additionally, you will have a weekly or a daily and then a weekly gross total. For those of you that are on trial, some of you are completing from last week. 2 weeks ago, the bots did 9,200 for the week. Last week, we finished just around 1,100, just over 1,100, I believe. Last week was a slow week for the bots. Monday and Tuesday were big down days, which is, I had never seen 2 days back to back like that, but trading is trading. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we had terrific trades. So the bots finished up overall about 1,100. The big culprit last week was crude oil, which was down on the robot $3,400 for the week. Our weekly average historical is around 4,200. So we'll see what we get this week. So here is what we've got so far. ES has not taken a trade. Bot started trading coming out of this purple. ES has not as of yet taken a trade today. I expect today to be fairly slow and choppy. Tomorrow is CPI. Crude has taken one trade. It is up $1,160. This was last week. So here's the first trade of the day, first trade of the week for crude. 6:37 a.m. Crude took a long and got two targets. Crude bot is up $1,160 for the day. I'll come to NASDAQ last because that's the sloppiest. Gold has not taken a trade today. YM has taken one trade. I had this set for break even. I've put it back to trail. It hit first target, pulled back into break even, and then of course went. I've now turned the trail on. Had I left the trail on, we would be up substantially, but be that as it may. It's up $80. Nothing to get excited about. And NASDAQ currently is down $400. That, of course, will change once the market's open. So NASDAQ has taken 3 trades. Looks like we've got a short here, which failed, and then reversed into a long on the 2 candles later. Went to first target. We then got another short. NASDAQ got first target, pulled back. I've got the break even button on, pulled back into break even and came out. So we've got a loser, a small winner, a small winner. NASDAQ is chopping around in a small area. I will, once the market opens, I will change this ATM setting. And this is for my members as well. I will go to 2x0, 2x0, which is 2 contracts off at target 1 and then auto trail. Okay. So that's where we're at. Overall, 1160, call it $1,240. We're up about $800 on the bots on very few trades this morning. Next thing I'll do is, looks like we're getting a reversal here in crude, back to VWAP. Let me read the disclaimer. It's always Mondays. I can't find the thing. Always Mondays. Yeah, Mondays, Monday. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So for those of you folks that are on trial, this list here is over the last 2 weeks. as I've already shown you the bots and explained the bots, we do a lot in this room, and I've sent each of you kind of an overview of what we do in this room. So aside from the robots, there's actually going to be additional trading, order flow trades. Many of our members are working on funded accounts. This is a program we started roughly 4 weeks ago. Over the last 2 weeks, we have funded some 29, maybe 36, I think the number is 36 traders. Thank you, Albert. So we've got 36 traders that have gotten funded. A little better than $4 million in funded accounts in the last 2 weeks alone. We'll pick up where we left off, of course, today, which is February 13th. Don't forget Valentine's Day tomorrow, fellas. That could be the kiss of death. So we'll pick up where we left off there. Change yours to fund. Okay, Randy. We have, so what you're going to see this week in the room is really a multifaceted trade room, okay, where we're actually trading. I'm trading along with you guys. I will put my DOM on the screen. I, too, am trading both a live account as well as funded accounts, or with the guys attempting to get funded. I have 3 funded accounts over the last 2 weeks. I will be working on additional Apex accounts with you guys. I also will be offering option trades. If you guys are interested in options and you want to follow along, I'll tell you what I'm looking at. We'll see what we get today. But each day, again, I will send out you guys an email if you're here on trial with totals. Additionally, I will send out a recording of the room. So it's an unedited version. That video could be 2 to 3 hours long, depending on, how slow or fast the markets are at any given day. If you want to review bot trades, you may. If you want to review order flow trades, you can. And if you want to see years worth of the bot or years worth of the room, you can follow me on YouTube, where I post generally every single day. All right, let's do charts. At least working on it. Gold has support at 68.5. It's going to have to break 68.5 to get that first target, 67.7. Small time frame support at 68.5. Crude came 1 tick, it looks like, from target. There's that 68.5 we tagged. Got a break here, we'll get first target at least. If we push through this, we should push down to 67.1, which would give us at least first target. Let's take a look at order flow, see what we got going on here. NASDAQ looks to me like we're going to break down a bit. ES unfinished auction at 11.75. You probably have a small scalp. Gold, big seller here at 68.5. Blocks all through here. Block trades. 119 seller on the bottom. I would expect this to break down, at least down to this 66.5. May not get second target, but it should get first. Crude. They're selling them back pretty good. You got a small buyer here. Unfinished auction at 79.12. If we can find a long, we'll take a trade long on crude up to that level. Bonds, no range in bonds. Natural gas, I don't even watch anymore. What do we get? 68. We need 3 ticks for first target. 3 ticks for first target. And crude, crude's holding make or break just below VWAP. Gold bounced. Need a 5-minute close below 69.2. Doesn't look like we're going to get it. Again, I expect gold to be choppy today. FOMC tomorrow. I'm sorry, CPI tomorrow. If anyone has questions, please feel free to ask. Yeah, gold was on the cusp of a. Boy, it really should have broken down, at least on the 5-minute. Crude got target 1 on the bot. So target 1 is filled on CL. As I said at the onset, crude had just an ugly week last week. Trying to make amends. We're still not dating. We're talking. But until crude gets $4,000 back, nothing to say. 3,400, I'm sorry. So the crude bot has gone break even +1 for those of you guys that are on trial. YM bot is rolling over. Looks like we may get a short on YM. It's setting up. I don't think I'm almost positive we have no news today. Nah, nothing. Fed's Bowman speaking at 8 o'clock, so we're past that. No other scheduled Fed speakers. Nothing. Let's see here, Paul. What you got? 6 inches by 6 inches for $18 for lasagna. Wow. NASDAQ guys, hourly shorts. NASDAQ is hourly shorts. I don't think it can get above 450. See if we get a push up there, and we'll look for shorts up there. It may just roll over. Looks like we're going to push down to 395. If anybody has any questions, holler. I have no order flow trades I'm interested in. You could try a long at 4105 on the ES for a bounce. Yeah, there's no question. Well, they do add oil. Oil is part of that inflation number. And then there's excluding food and energy. So, yeah, and even used car prices are starting to rise again. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm just going to go get coffee. I'm back, fellas. Natural gas getting walloped again. Gold looks like we're going to get that first target. We're 4 ticks from target 1. Gold may have just hit target 1. I think it did to the tick. Didn't fill it. No, missed by a tick. Morning, Sally. NASDAQ coming down to that next level, 95. All right, gold got target 1 on the bot. Like crude, stop has gone to break even plus 1 tick. $67.1 would be the next small support. As you guys can clearly see, we are very slow. Take a look at markets, guys. NASDAQ's up 54, ES up, call it 8, YM's up 15 ticks, EMD and Russell up a couple of points. Gold's down 6.5, silver's off, crude's off 77 cents. Looking at equities, pre-market, Apple's up 21 cents, Baidu's up 5.75. Nvidia's up a couple bucks, Microsoft is up 3.20. Meta up 4.60, 4.75 now. I would say longs in the open. Qs are going to open up $1.41 higher at the moment. SPY 73 cents higher. Got nothing, fellas. It's just too damn slow. I have absolutely nothing. Here's NASDAQ on a 15-minute. Yields are starting to rise. Bonds are breaking down a little further. Target on bonds is, if you trade ZB, 16.30 seconds. Got 8-9 ticks in there, it looks like. 240 minutes. NASDAQ is on support. ES looks like we could fail back to 80 on a 240. I like the SPX short on a move below 40.60 with a target at 40.25, which would make sense on that 40.50 SPX puts that Icahn bought. Again, I don't know if that's hedging a position, a long position. $5 billion is a lot of money. I'm pending an ES long 41.05 for a small bounce. YM is 2 ticks from target 1. Gold about 10. There it is. Target 1 hit and filled on YM. So we've gone break even plus 1 there. I would expect this 05 to give us a bounce. It may be small. I think we tickled 05. I didn't get a fill. Anybody filled at 05? missed NASDAQ at 93. You can cancel 05. Cancel it. NASDAQ is bouncing as well. Well, we may get that 05. NASDAQ is holding some hourly support here at 95-ish. You could bounce back. No, not far. Maybe 5 handles. Gold within 7 ticks of target 2. NASDAQ's holding that hourly support, fellas. It's hit it twice, 93.50. Yeah. All right. ES filled 41.05. ES bot actually went short. I mean, maybe we get 08 on a bounce. I've only got the one on, so. My stop is 12 ticks, guys. That's it. 02 is stop. If I'm wrong small. YM is pressing lower, has now hit third target. Do this. No, it hasn't caught up yet. Don! What's up, man? Yes, about to get target 1 here on the bot. Man, that was a great game last night. I had no vested interest in that game. I had wanted Kansas City. But all right, guys, I'm going to take this off. I'm out of that trade, 05 trade. I had wanted Kansas City to win, but didn't really care. Was a little. I mean, who won was a great game though. I did not watch the halftime show. All right, out on the ES spot. Target one only on ES. Bowman is speaking. It is possible we could achieve a soft landing. I'm just going through got a nice runner going on YM. Gold is totally slow. 2x0, Martin. 2 contracts off at target 1, open runner with the trail. Fairly quiet, guys. For those of you that are on trial, every day at 9 a.m. I take a breakfast break. Which is in about 4.5 minutes, 3.5 minutes, I guess. If you folks have any questions prior to me going to breakfast, please ask. I mean, we're just really slow. YM pulls back into break even +1 or keeps going. And there's no loss here or give back. Crude turning back up above VWAP. I like crude long. Crude gets above 79.30, it goes 79.52. All right, guys. Bots are off at 9 o'clock for me. So this keeps moving lower. There's no more trades here. I will be back in 20 minutes. Anybody have any questions before? No, that's not going to work. All right, guys. So gold is up 450. And YM is up 280. Runner also got taken out. Looks like we have about 7 minutes here, guys. If anyone has questions, please ask. Why this natural gas, man, just cannot hit targets to the downside again. It looks like it has further downside. Target 1 filled, YM. Target 1 filled. And NASDAQ shorted on the open. Come on, come get that first target. Let's go. I like the bounce long, fellas. YM is leading. Auto Trail is on. Come on, NASDAQ, do something. Get out of this chop. 89.90 is holding. Target 1 filled on the NASDAQ bot. Auto Trail is on. We're into that support zone. Now we go up, I think, here. Okay, out on the NASDAQ runner. YM runner is still there. Another short on the NASDAQ on the bot. It's just screwing around in a really small area, which I can't stand. I like the longs, guys. Of course, it takes out the stop first. I like the longs, though. This is your entry here above 400. There you go. Target number one. That's still holding. There you go. Target number one is about 409, 408, which we hit. NASDAQ short again on the bot, same area. Same stupid area. Got target. Nice runner on the YM bot. $200 runner. ES quiet. Everything's quiet other than these two. Come on, break down. Let's go, NASDAQ. Break down. Here comes VWAP. All right, guys. So what I'm looking for here, there is support just under VWAP at 52. Got a $400 runner here on the NASDAQ. Small gap fill on SPYs down to, it's not worth a trade. Not worth a trade. I'm sorry, guys. ES took a long. I didn't see it. Looks like it's going to go to a loss. So we have 3 bot trades on. NASDAQ got it, and YM have healthy runners. I'd like to see VWAP tagged out on NASDAQ runner. Another short on NASDAQ. Into resistance here. What was support, now resistance. We stopped at small time frame support at 60. There's target 1 again. YM's holding up. Another nice run. Okay, out on the ES. All right, guys. We do have support just below at 52.50, which I'll buy. Call it 53. I'm pending 53. $47 should be as low as we go. There's 53. There's 53 long. Sold 1. Sold 1. Sold 2. I have 1 going. Here come your buyers. We're going to have a hard time at 76. There we go, 81. Anybody have 1 going? Got to get above 82. 82 is kind of our line in the sand here, fellas. 83. Get above 83 and we go. Got a nice entry, guys. Perfect entry off at 52, 53. The low on that was 52 even. Yep, 2 ticks from the low. Not a bad trade. Okay. I'm flat. NASDAQ is short again on the bot. I don't like it, but we're above VWAP. Now we're holding support at about 70. Out. NASDAQ's getting chopped up a little bit here, but it'll even out. Above 83, we're going to go. If you're still holding one. Got a nice runner in YM. Problem area is at 83, 84 on NASDAQ. If we can get above that, we're going to trade up to 90 to 93. We're consolidating just below that level with buyers, and we should break. And there we go. Come on. Pushing that resistance. We do have buyers. They're smallish, but we do have buyers. Gold is long on the bot now. There you go, guys. So first target here, guys, is going to be 91. If you took that little break, you've got target 1 at 91. You just got target 1. Target 1. Okay? Target 1 is hit and filled. Target 1 is hit and filled. Now it's completely free. You're back over. 400. Back over 400. The next break, guys, is 410. If we can get above 410, we're going to try to trade it to 450. Thank you, Brad. Anybody take that long, guys, on that break? The next area is 410. That's what's got to go. 410, 410 quarter. If you're running along, 410, 410 quarter has to go. And then the target becomes 450. But, you know, we'll trade into the high of the day at 29.30 and then 450. I'll show you the trade in a minute. Is there anybody running NASDAQ contracts? Anybody running contracts, fellas? Okay, we're through 410. So now you're trading into the high of the day. All right, guys, high of the day and then a break. If anybody has gotten funded on this trade, let me know. Or if anybody gets funded today, please let me know. So we are long across the board. I'm going to show you that trade momentarily. As soon as this trade completes, as soon as you guys tell me nobody's in the trade, here, I'll show it to you anyways. Hang on. Here's the trade, fellas. Here's the trade, okay? I told you we had support just below VWAP at 52.50. We took our entry at 53, okay? Traded into small resistance and through it into what was a support zone, became a resistance zone. That was my target 1. We broke above this level, 400, and then 10 was the area we had to break above, which we did, that little swing high here. And now we're trading back up into this 18 to 20 zone. Okay? Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Out on YM on the trailer. I finally got a pullback. YM is up 720. Gold is in a long. We'll see what happens here. Get out of here so I can trade. Gold's got a shot of VWAP. We're going to stall 71. Let me take a look at gold. Yeah, we're pushing pretty good resistance here. Really, gold needs to get above 70.3. NASDAQ is now long on the bot. There it is. We're back through that resistance. It's another entry. Come on, give me a break. I haven't had a $1,000 runner yet. Come on, let's go. NASDAQ's off, fellas. She's off. She's off. Here comes high of the day. High of the day coming, and then we're going to break up to 50, 52, 53. That's your target, 53. If you're still long, 53, or if you re-entered, we pushed resistance, pulled back, came back up through. Easy peasy trade. Come on, NASDAQ, keep going. Let's go. Still can't get any major runner yet. Out. Getting trades, but nothing. All right, guys. Support now is 12, and then 02. Here comes the push. I will definitely be short in that 50 area, fellas. Let me just hang on, guys. This is where I'm looking to short. That zone. Okay? If we get up there, that's where I'll short. New day high. I'll put on 2 at 45. and 2 at 55. So I'm pending 2 short, 45, 2 more short at 55. I don't know if that would get there or not, but that's where I'll sell it. Doesn't look like we're going to get there. Nice job, Peter. Started out down 800 on some pre-market stuff. Your trades, I assume, not mine. And now you're up 875. Nice job. Your trades or mine? Yeah, sad. I didn't think I gave any really pre-market trades. Yours. Not that I'm calling you out. I just wanted to make sure that there wasn't a misunderstanding and you thought I gave a trade. Come on, NASDAQ. One more push. Come on, NASDAQ. Nope, another loss. NASDAQ's getting beat up today. All right, guys, you can cancel those shorts up there. We didn't get there. Close of the 10-minute bar in 2 minutes. I will probably take a trade long. We could pull back to 75. I'm going to try a short here, guys. Right here, right below this level here. 03, 02. Small sellers in here. If it dips down below this level here is where we can short it. Target 1 is going to be 94, or as you see fit. It's 10 handles, so if you guys are using the ATM, you'll get target before then. Make or break area here. Small sellers. Small sellers, come on. Do something. And by trade plan, I mean averaging in. Times 951. There's another level we can sell right here. It's there now. Right there, below there, 09. $300 sellers, guys. We've got selling pressure. We're down to 500, give or take, net buyers. Go ahead, make another push. I will definitely sell that zone. This is a short here, and that's probably a safer short. Either way. Need it to break down here. And then we probably start targeting VWAP. So if you sold, if you're using the ATM, you're good. But I have 92 as a target. Targets hit if you're using the ATM, fellas. Targets hit if you're using the ATM strategy. Okay, small target 1. Nice job, Doug. We're just chopping in a smallish area. No bot trades to show. I want that 45 to 55 zone. Hourlies are trading up into the hourly cloud. Nice job. Plus $400 in your PA account. Nice job. All right. Anybody have any questions, guys? Well, there's a bot trade. Yes. At this 15 level. Yeah, come on. Push, NASDAQ, push. Target one on the ES only. All right, guys. And just put 45 in again, but I don't think it gets there. Coming up on 10 o'clock, I'll have to mark some levels. I can already mark DPEC. I can already mark 1. $411 on the SPY is major resistance. Major. I don't think we're getting there in the next 4 minutes. But we do have a gap filled down to 408.16. All right, I'm short 2 at 45, and we'll add in 2 at 55. So I'm short 2 at 45, and we'll add 2 at 55. If you guys shorted 45, you should have targets. You should have targets. You can take some risk off. Anybody short 45? I mean, we did take 7 ticks of heat on the NASDAQ. Bought 1. If you shorted 45, you got targets if you're using an ATM. They're buying them. Oh, you did not do that. Did you? 2 ticks. All right. Filled. 68 is about as high as this should go. They're buying them, guys, pretty hard. All right, Brett. See you tomorrow, man. my average here? 52. Need this to roll over below 49. We're up to 800 buyers. This is going to make another push, damn it. 68. This should be as high as that thing goes. That should be as high as that goes. Come on, roll over. There's 10 o'clock. This is blasting through all resistance right now. Come on down. Come on down. As soon as this rolls over, guys, below 54, that would be your short now, below 54. All right, fellas. We have 10 o'clock? Yep, we do. All right, guys. Deepak, there you go. Bitch. Come on down. We drop below 57, 58. We could pull back to 26. SPX 1150. Oh, 4150. 4150 you bought. Right? 4150. Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, I understood. I figured it out. I figured it out. Here comes the pullback, fellas. Going to get some support at 46. Get rid of this and that. Crude got first target on the bot. I'm not paying much attention, guys. Been watching this NASDAQ. Target one hit on crude on the long here. It's break even +1. NASDAQ bot not taking any trades now. Gold is looking to short on the bot. put the ATM on, guys. Anybody short here? 54. We need to break down below 44 now. If you shorted that line. Okay. You've got targets if you shorted where I said you could short here. Come on, one candle close. All right, Ray, nice job. One candle close. There you go, guys. Come on. Let's come all the way back to 26. There we go. Send them. 26 is target. So let's try to get 28. 28 final target. Should get 26. So I'm trying to come in a couple handles ahead of the target. Come on, baby. Hit 29.50. See you tomorrow, Rich. Come on, 29.50 again. A little more push. A lot less screwing around. Come on. Come on. You know you can do it. Got it. All right, guys. Up $1,000, fellas. Everybody good? I have no bot trades to show. NASDAQ hasn't taken any trades since that opening chop. Sold them all back, fellas. I think fire in the hole here. Sold them all back. I'm going to short 33. I got a late fill. Late fill. 33 is a good short, I think. Stop is 47. So stop is 47. We're holding this, what was resistance is now support. We could pop up to that 47. Come on down, dog. Come on, give me that warm fuzzy. There you go. I couldn't move it fast enough. Damn it. You guys good? Good? Nice job, Ray. You're going to get 400. Fellas, good? You guys good or what? We rocking and rolling? Rocking and a rolling. Nice job, Brian. So absolutely nothing there. We're holding support. I'm going to try a long here, guys. Nope. NASDAQ shorted on the bot. Crude now shorted on the bot. I've got 3 bot trades on, guys. I can't show them all. There's crude because I need this chart. So we've got crude and gold. NASDAQ got target 1. So I'm long 34.75. Come on, don't be a 38.75 has a little bit of resistance. Target filled. Both targets filled. Yeah, target's filled. Wapner's on at 4. What else do we do here, fellas? Print money. Print money. Guys good? Thank you, Jacques. I mean, it's not a big trade, but it's got targets, right? I'll take targets. Guys, now I've got YM short on the bot. I mean, we just got trades all over the place. Let it chop, fellas. Okay, Sam, man. You go get them, buddy. I'm going to take the long again, guys. Come on. Need this to go. Oh, look at this. Target 1 filled. I moved that second target out. Target 1 is filled. Another target. Come on, push, baby, push. I want 57 final target. 57. So let's go 55. Well, I'd like 55, guys, for the final. 47, 48's a problem. Small sellers in here, 120 negative delta. I'm holding the one. Ordinarily, I would have killed it. Come on. A little more push and a lot less BS. Let's go. 57. Pushing former. There it goes. 50 set. Come on. Here we go. Come on, dog. Come on. Hit him up, baby. Hit him up. You're pushing up, Deepak. You're going to come out of this consolidation. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me that target. We're fouling at former daily resistance. Daily resistance is 47.75. We got to get through that. One more full candle. There it is. We should get target here, guys. We should get that final target. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, fire it up. Come on, buyers. Man up. Come on. Got buyers, but they're small, guys. Really small. Really small. Come on. I'm way ahead of what the next resistant level is. There it is. Oh, man, almost. Come on, give me it. Seriously? 54. I missed by 4 ticks. If you want your money, take your money. I mean, for 20 bucks. With me, it's principle. You rat bag. All right, I'm out. Seriously, rat bag. You guys good? This is my second account of the day. First one's up over 1,300. This one's up 500. 1,900 bucks on 2 accounts. You guys good? Fellas? Into this former daily resistance and the bottom of the hourly. We're the bottom of that hourly bear flag. How many contracts did you buy? You made 450 bucks. But tell me this. No. I wish we didn't have this. I wish we didn't have this huge up candle. But we're breaking up. If it closes above this, it's going to invalidate this or make it here. It's still a bear flag. Same thing with SPYs. I'm looking for puts up in this zone. At 939. Yeah, but we don't know that they're going to keep going higher. That's the whole point. I don't know that price is going to push higher. If I knew that, I'd have my kidneys on eBay. There are no buyers up here to sustain this price. It's just flat right now. Tomorrow morning. Saved by the bell. Saved by the bell. We're still holding former daily resistance, now support. Opening range high, which has failed twice, is 65.75. I'm not inclined to take this late in the morning. That's opening range high. Still sell for, oh, it's still there, 45. I mean, we've got 200 net buyers. I see the support we're holding, but there's not much buying up here. I mean, we've got small negative deltas prior to candles. We're trading into a rising 68. This is your opening range high. You know, if your trade plan calls for buying the opening range high with the day high 6 handles above, doesn't matter what, Steve, you'd have to take the order flow class. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but you would have to be an order flow. It's a 68% area of daily distribution. We're setting up to roll over. Now that could come at 11:20, who knows? 12:20 for all I know. But we're going to roll over. Not saying this can't make another push and push to, I have a target at 85. So this is the third whack at the opening range high. If you guys want to try and, you know, buy at the opening range high, you're trading into the high of the day. So you're effectually thinking that we need to trade through the opening, you know, the day high. I'm not buying it. To me, this is a high risk trade. It is consolidating below that high, or below the opening range high. So either the sellers come in and press this thing back lower, or else the buyers better find it. I mean, there's, you know, again, 300 net buyers on the day. It's just not that much. I'm looking for a seller to get short with, somebody's size ahead of that 45. I don't have that. Cancel that short. No, there's a 40 seller, but nobody I want to get short with. 43. Deepak, are you there? Deepak. Tell me what were SPX 4120 calls at 1025, and where are they now? 4120 calls, SPX. It's moving through. All right, Jeff. See you tomorrow, man. It just closed above the opening range high. So now you got to get your high of the day. And we did it with 2830 net buyers. Not impressive. I mean, this is normally where buyers step in. And I don't see a size buy. I don't see anything. Not to say, again, that this can't go higher. We're 980. What are they now? Yeah, at 945, they were 980. What are they now? No, I don't want them at 945. I want them at 1025. 1025 Eastern. What were they and what are they now? Anybody not make money today? How are you down on 3 accounts? You're doing your own thing then. Right? Yeah, okay. I just want to clarify because I don't believe the only losing trade I had was on the ES and pre-market for less than $100. Okay. And again, guys, I mean, I encourage you guys, to do your own thing and trade whatever methodology you feel works best. Obviously, nobody here is under any obligation to follow me. Nice job, Mark, holding a 14 handle ES runner. My trades work best. I just get luckier than most. It's all luck, fellas. Nice job, James. Today alone? James? Holy shnikes. James is up 11 grand on a $300,000 evaluation account. Guys, did anybody pass the combine today? Do I have anybody that got funded? All right, fellas. You met your 7 day. Yeah, but you've already told me that you were funded on that account, right? I mean, I already know about it. Yeah, okay. I'll tell you, she's a stinker today, man. I did not think we would get this nice a move the day before CPI, especially where there's so much speculation that it's going to be a miss or a beat. You know, I mean, there are equal people on both sides. NASDAQ, guys, is up just under 150. ES up 35. YM up 280. EMD and Russell up 18 and 12. Gold is off $6. Silver's off. And virtually, PayPal's down $1.45. Tesla's actually off almost $3. Interesting. Microsoft up 850. You wonder why we're going higher. Guys, it's 11 o'clock. No, we're not getting a pullback yet. No. And if we do, we're going to have to dip below 85. I think we will. For those of you that are in order flow class 23, I'll see you guys in 45 minutes. Link has been sent. If you do not have it, email me. Yeah. Okay. For my trial members that are concluding from last week, both, and those that are began today, I hope you enjoyed your first day. I'll be sending out a detailed report for you guys. I will see my 1 o'clock group in 2 hours. I'll see all of you at 8 a.m. As a reminder, I will be closing the room early tomorrow morning. I will, of course, be here at the open at 8 o'clock, be here for the CPI news. I'll be able to trade about an hour. And then I have to take my wife to the